Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We're having a look at Grammarly and we're going to explore the free version and we're going to explore the premium version. Now, each one of these versions are built for different people. So let's find out which one you are. The first thing I'm going to do is jump into Grammarly, and I have the free version. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste an article in here, right, that was written by myself, and you can see immediately it is starting to give me some feedback. So first of all, you can see on the left that there are some words that are underlined. Now, I'm going to first go through some of the free items that we can change. So first of all, within the free version, you're able to upload an unlimited amount of words or characters. On the left hand side over here, you can see I've got 1,161 words over here, and on the right hand side it is my suggestions. Okay, so the first thing you can see that everything underlined in red is a spelling or a grammar error. So as you can see over here, this is incorrect. So all you need to do is tap on accept, and you can go through and do the same with all of that. Now, as you can see also that there are a bunch of underlined in yellow sentences, and you can also see like there is some blue. Okay, so once you click it, it'll give you those suggestions. Now what's happening is this is a wordy sentence. So basically what it wants to do is it wants to remove or paraphrase that section that it's underlined so that you can get the same message across using less words. That is the goal. So that is part of the premium package. So having a look over here, basically the Grammarly free package offers the grammar and spelling corrections. And then there is another feature that it does offer. If you go over to the right over here, there is a generative AI feature. So basically it is a built-in chatbot. Over here you can see it says, what do you want to do? And here you can start giving some ideas as to what you would like to do. So give me ideas for improvement, and you can see this is now what it's doing. The nice thing here is that it's integrated, of course, all of its own rules that it applies to your content. It is now applying it to this content as well. One of the other nice things is, and it is part of the free package, is actually going ahead and being able to edit everything here in Grammarly. So you don't have to take it out and go and edit it in a different app. You can see there are some basic editing tools down over here. So you can really do a lot with the free version. I'm going to go ahead and have a look at some of the premium items that they do offer. So the first thing I want to have a look at is just the language structure over here. It says there are 23 premium suggestions. Now, as you can see over here, it's broken it down into clarity, correctness, delivery, and engagement. So having a look at clarity, basically what it wants to do is it wants to break your sentences down and make them more clear using less words. Also, there is the correctness. Okay, and basically what the correctness is wanting to do is it wants to make your wording more accurate. So if you're reusing certain words within neighboring sentences or within the same sentence, it's going to give you that correctness score, and it's going to want to correct that. Also, delivery. What is the tone that you are using? It wants to align your content with the tone that you're trying to use, which, by the way, you are able to actually go ahead and change, which I'll show you in a moment. And then engagement, the variety. Are you using those same words over and over throughout the entire content? And what it wants to do is basically remove that. Now, of course, if you're not using this on a large scale, you can just go ahead and you can make the corrections over here. You can see over here, we are going to use this as an example. It says, in a world filled with questions, there's no better place to seek answers than the remarkable landscapes. So you can basically take that and you can rewrite it and try and lower this score over here. So it's not to say that it is incorrect. It's just to say that there are some errors that could be bettered or to improve the content that you're writing. Now, if you're having a look over here, there is the tone that you can set. So before you actually put this in here, you can actually set your goals on the right hand side. You can set who your audience is, you can set the formality, you can also set the domain and also the intent, and you can set this for all of your content, or you can do it individually. All right, so we're having a look at the premium features and what do these premium features actually cost. So if you are wanting to use these premium features, you're going to go in for a minimum of $12 per month. Now, in my case, I don't actually need the premium. I actually just use this for basic spelling, as you can see, like this over here, and then also I use it for just some grammar and some wordy sentences. So what I basically do is have a look at where the underline is, and I try and restructure that sentence so that it just comes out in a better way. But if you are using Grammarly to write articles or do any type of writing content for work, and you need to be accurate, maybe you're communicating with clients, maybe you are writing website content and you need to be super accurate, then I would say $12 really is not a lot to be paying. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. We will find you in another video. We'll see you there. Cheers.